Mortals, prepare to embark on a transformative journey to unlock the power of patience. I, Kratos, once consumed by unyielding wrath, now offer you the wisdom forged through my trials. Let us delve into the depths of understanding as we unveil the 10 essential tips to master this sacred virtue. 1. Cultivate self-awareness. Before even the gods trembled before me, I discovered the power of self-awareness. Understand your own triggers, mortal, for in recognizing them, you gain dominion over your impatience. Consciously choose a path of restraint when tested by life's tribulations. 2. Practice mindfulness. Amidst the chaos of existence, one must learn the art of mindfulness. Shed the burden of expectations and focus on the present moment. Embrace the journey, for it is in the path itself that patience finds its purpose. 3. Set realistic expectations. In my relentless pursuit of overcoming my past, I witnessed the danger of unrealistic expectations. Temper your desires, mortal, and set achievable goals for yourself and others. Patience flourishes when we understand that progress is a gradual ascent. 4. Embrace delays as opportunities. Delays, like the hands of fate, are an inevitable part of life's tapestry. Instead of succumbing to frustration, seize these moments as opportunities. Use them to sharpen your skills, gain knowledge, or nurture the bonds that tether you to this realm. 5. Build empathy. The strength of a true warrior lies not only in their blade, but in their capacity for empathy. Seek to understand the struggles of others, for empathy kindles compassion and fuels the fires of patience. In unity, amidst the chaos, we find solace. 6. Practice deep breathing and relaxation techniques. When anger threatens to consume your essence, turn to the power of breath. Inhale deeply. Exhale the tension that binds you. Through focused breathing and relaxation techniques, find solace and reclaim the patience necessary for the battles ahead. 7. Develop effective communication skills. The bonds between warriors are forged not only on the field of battle, but through effective communication. Speak with clarity, listen with intent, and let empathy guide your words. United in patience and understanding, we are stronger against any adversary. 8. Embrace the power of pause. Amidst the chaos of life, the wise warrior knows when to pause. When impatience threatens to shatter your resolve, step back, breathe, and regain your composure. Through the power of pause, you can choose patience over blind rage. 9. Practice gratitude. In the shadows of chaos, it is easy to overlook the blessings that surround us. Pause, mortal, and reflect on what you have. Express gratitude, for it fosters contentment and forms the bedrock upon which patience is built. 10. Celebrate small wins. A true warrior understands that victory is not solely found in grand triumphs. Celebrate the small wins, for they are the stepping stones that pave the path to greatness. Rejoice in your progress, no matter how modest, for it fortifies your determination and deepens your patience. Mortals, let these 10 tips, honed through my trials and tribulations, guide you on the path to patience. Embrace them with unwavering resolve, for patience is not merely a virtue, but a key to unlocking a more fulfilling life. Prepare yourself, for a journey of transformation awaits.